Hey everybody, good morning. It's Billy.
And Sean.
And we're free to roam.
Welcome back to the channel. If it's your first time here, thanks for choosing our video.
I know last week we gave you guys a teaser about a surprise that we have, so check out the video and see what we did. Ron Hoover Katy, Texas. Hey honey.
Hey.
Where are we?
You tell me.
Katy, Texas.
Katy, Texas.
We are at Ron Hoover RV and Marine.
Mm-hmm.
Because they were one of the co-sponsors of the Alliance, the Texas Alliance rally we went to. So we are here. We may have a little surprise. So let's go inside.
Let's go meet somebody.
Okay, come on, let's go.
Is it warm in Katy?
Oh my gosh, it's so hot. Do you know why we spend the summers in Wyoming?
Because it's hotter than Hades down here? Yeah.
And humid.
It's hotter than when we were down here for the rally.
I am that guy. Hi.
Hi. This is Rob.
What's up, man?
Yeah.
Everybody go look at it?
Oh, yeah.
Can't wait.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, you know what? I'd love one.
There you go.
Thanks so much.
There you go. You're welcome.
So bear with me, it's gonna be loud out here.
Oh yeah, you're fine.
Wave.
Hey, everybody.
There's our rig.
Oh, man.
So in case you haven't figured it out yet, we bought a new rig.
From
Me.
Katy, Texas. And it just came down. It literally just got delivered from Elkhart today as we showed up. So this is our first look at it, and we're gonna walk around and
walkthrough.
we're gonna look around it.
Yeah.
Which model did we get, Sean?
This is the 385 FL. As you
Yep,
can see
this is a
right there.
2025 385 FL Alliance Paradigm, which what's one of the reasons we got this rig?
Right there.
Right there. I'll let Sean talk about that a little bit more later. And of course, all of that is another
So y'all are
reason we
getting
got
to
this
do
rig.
what people normally don't do. You're getting to see it before
The PDI.
it's been clean.
Yeah.
PDI. So it has not been
Oh,
touched.
I'm excited. It's beautiful.
Y'all have at it. Go
Okay.
inside, look, tear it apart. Just tell me when you're done.
Okay, we will. Thank you. The Super Solar package, we had them add on for us, Sean. So tell me about the Super Solar package. What is
well,
it? It comes with, of course, the Victron
There's the-
components.
Yep. So we got the same multi-plus 2 that we have
Okay, and
in
then
our
it
current rig
comes
with
with
the
one
smart solar charger
one
there.
Rego,
But the battery that they use
Renogy
here
Rego
is the
battery.
Renogy Rego, and it looks like there is also a combiner box back there, so it'll be easy
And
to
then what
add.
solar panels do we get on top?
Second. There are 1,200. There's 3 400 watt panels, so 1,200 watts of solar. Stainless under here for the slide.
This reinforcement under these slides is awesome. And what else is so good about them? They're cable driven.
Cable driven, yeah. So here's some of the newer features here is that they have the electric
Tank dumps.
switches and the ability to
Do your slide outs,
Do the
which
slide
I will
outs
take a
from
label
out
and
here.
I will actually put with it. It's our first time walking through one. I mean, we walked. Here's the.
trailer smell.
That's what she was just telling us about. How the ACs, 3 ACs, are very quiet.
You know what I'm excited about?
But what? Sean's own bathroom. Shoe storage. under there. Oh, look at that thing. 65-inch. This is a very nice cabin.
This is where the magic happens. And the prime poop position.
Bing!
Macerator.
Yeah, the master toilet is a macerator. Look at all this.
Oh yeah.
Like I think the year models before this only had half of this vanity. What is this here? What's that thing? The wireless controller?
I don't know. Yeah, it's the Victron. It already comes with
It's
it.
got a cover on it. Oh my gosh, that's our super solar package right there.
It already comes with servo.
What's this right here? We have one of these in the Class C. What is that? Power
That's the
control
power
center.
control system, yeah.
So next, what are they going to do, Sean? What are we waiting for now? So
they're
they're
going to PDI the unit. Then we'll do our inspection.
Which is, for some people that don't know.
Oh, it's a pre-delivery inspection. So they're going to get it in. It just came from factory, like literally rolled off the factory line.
3 days ago.
Yeah, rolled out of Elkhart.
Yeah.
3 days ago.
They're going to check all the systems. The PDI is check every system in there, check everything.
Look at everything, and
then they're going to detail it for us.
Yep, we go to detail.
Then it'll be ours. It'll be moved over to where we're parked now, so that we can just move stuff from one RV to the other. It's hot here in Katy, Texas, so we are sweating. So
yeah,
we'll get back to you and show you. Maybe it's gonna be cooler later when we're moving stuff around. I hope so. We'll see.
We'll see.
So, come on, let's go.
Pardon me?
We're gonna go relax in our air conditioner until they're done PDIing and detailing our room.
Well, you've seen her now. What do you think?
Oh, I'm so happy.
Mama been wanting that floor plan for,
Well, you know,
let's just say,
shout out to Potty Waffle Travelers and Donna, because we had dinner in her rig in Quartzsite, and ever since then, January, I've been wanting this rig.
Billy knew the floor plan, our similar floor plan was what we wanted and what she needed.
Yeah. But I love the Alliance brand and the Alliance, what they stand for.
Family.
So I am going to stay in the fam alley. This is our old baby, and she's done good for a whole year. She's done us right for a year, and we love her. But this floor plan that we're getting works better for us as full-timers, so I think.
Yep.
What are we doing today, honey?
Watching it rain.
What a great day to buy a new RV. We are parked right next to our friends Diane and Randy because they're getting a new rig today too. But of course, in true free-to-roam fashion, why wouldn't it rain?
We're packing up a trailer. It's gonna rain, guaranteed.
We literally have stuff everywhere in boxes and on the counters. It's moving day. And of course, it's a torrential downpour in Katy, Texas. It's not looking fun. Ugh. Yuck. Beasley's freaking out because it's thundering. They don't know what's going on because we have stuff packed up everywhere. The RV's a mess. But we're ready to move into our new rig. So stand by. So how do you feel? Diane, how do you like it? You do? It smells so good. It smells so new.
Now I'm getting excited.
I forgot that it had an island and a peninsula thing. That's nice. I love this extra counter space.
I'm excited till I have to sign paper.
Marlo.
I love this. Oh, I love it.
Sometimes we'll do a little shout out on the video. I
Oh,
want to make sure I got your name right.
there's a 65 too. They got the big TV too.
That's
Yeah.
awesome. I love that they're putting 65s on these. Okay, I was the first one to sit and relax in Randy and Diane's camper, so I'll just let that be
The
known.
only thing I don't like about this setup is there's no place to sit and drink.
Yeah, you have to have like a TV tray.
But I'm thinking
But if you're sitting here, you can put it back here maybe.
slide under there.
Oh yeah, you can do
Keep some
that.
TV trays behind there. And this is Marlo, the most helpful person at Ron Hoover.
She is one of the most knowledgeable people here, that's for sure. Thank you. Thank you. We will.
These are easier to adjust than what we have now, too.
Yeah, they are.
Full ride instead of electric, so they just go in and out.
So y'all are boondockers.
Yes.
We don't get a lot of those in Houston, to be honest.
Yeah.
I know.
Well, there's so much public land out west,
Yes.
as you know,
Oh, yeah.
that it's so easy to do.
And why wouldn't you,
Yeah.
if you can?
Yeah.
So I'm gonna do just kind of like I did with them. I'm
Okay.
gonna go through, turn on sinks, make sure nothing's leaking. I'm gonna make sure there's no holes in shades and all our shades are working. Test the stove, test the oven, make sure the fridge is cool, and then we'll kind of have free reign of the camper.
Perfect.
Awesome.
Oh, this is interesting. I just noticed that there's two different handles on here. One
Yes,
you can...
because your trash can is.
Oh, that's a trash can. Did you see this? Diane was just talking about how she wished she had this, and I didn't know we have it. Oh my gosh, that's a bonus
they're
right
gonna-
there. Yeah, they are.
See, because they're moving out of a 385, and so the changes that they've made to improve the 385, they're like,
I'm just gonna open her up if it'll let me with the rain. It will.
Yeah.
Not too bad.
I gotta get, don't let me leave here without getting
Getting her
covered.
covered.
I know, we want the covers on them, yeah. If you follow us on social media, you know that we hit our 1 year Nomadiversary on June 1st. And we are so excited. We love this lifestyle. We have no regrets.
We learned quite a few things the first year, and one of those things was there are better floor plans out there that fit full-time living than the 390 MP that we had.
Yes, so as you can see in the video, we stayed with Alliance, but we went with a different floor plan, and we are so happy with this floor plan. We absolutely love it. We're still unpacking and organizing, and of course, you know, there's a lot of space in this rig, but it's different space than the last rig.
We're playing Tetris a different way, but we have a new 385 FL now, and we'll have a longer tour later.
Yes, we'll do an inside tour and an outside tour for you guys later. We just wanted to quickly show you what we got and explain to you why we got it. We have been looking at possibly trading our rig off ever since Quartzsite.
We almost pulled the trigger 2 other times, but ultimately it wasn't the right deal. And when we talked to the guys at Ron Hoover, they literally said, we'll find a way to make you a deal you can't refuse.
And we
got Alliance on site. And
yes, shout out to Josh Bowerman, the Alliance rep for Texas Paradigms. He was there and he helped us, you know, because we actually wanted the super solar package because, as you guys know, we boondock a lot. And so the solar package we had on our other rig was very robust. So we didn't want to have to put a whole new solar package on a new rig.
Yeah, starting all over was kind of a non-starter. So we had to get some credit for the system we had, and we had to be able to at least hit the ground running in our new rig.
So shout out to Josh because he was able to find a rig that was still in the line enough where they could put the super solar package on, and they were able to get that put on for us before it came off the line.
Yeah, I think it was the next rig to go on the line. And they're like, okay, we'll take that one. That's going to be the Hamby's rig. and we'll divert it through and get the super solar put on. So
Ron Hoover worked with us, and we had some travel plans in May. We went to Cabo and we did we did golf. We watched golf with Birdie. So we had to have a delivery date that worked for us, and Ron Hoover and Alliance were very good at working with us. So we were so happy that they were able to get the rig and we were able to pick it up in a time that worked for us on our schedule, because we were pretty busy during the month of May. So we're excited to slow down and just enjoy this rig.
Yeah, and I would shout out to Indiana Transport too. Those guys were very transparent. They were very willing to work with us and keep us apprised of where our rig was as it left Elkhart and made its way down to Ron Hoover and Katy to meet us. So good job, Indiana Transport. No damage and on-time delivery. So.
Yeah, of course, in the video, I think we shouted out to Rob. He was our salesman. He saw us through from the beginning to the end, and we're very thankful for him. He allowed us to do what we needed to do at Ron Hoover. Another shout out to Marlo.
Oh, yeah.
She is one of the most knowledgeable people I have ever met at an RV dealer.
Yep.
We had questions for her, and she knew the answers like right then.
She really treated us well and helped us out. So
yeah, and another shout out to Casey Swearingen. He is the general manager for the South Houston store, but he was actually at the Texas Alley Rally and got everything started. So he took time out of his day to drive all the way over to Katy and drop in on us and say hi and make sure that everything was going great with our rig transfer over. So thanks again, Casey. We really appreciate everything you did for us. Goodbye, 390 MP. Well, now you know what we did and what rig we got. So thanks so much for tuning in, you guys, and supporting us during this journey. We're pretty excited. New adventures for our second year and our new rig. We can't wait to see where we're going to go and what we're going to do this year.
Oh yeah. Comment below if you guessed right. And particularly if you even guessed the right floor plan. I know a couple of you knew what floor plan we were going to get.
You did.
John, Donna.
And all my passenger princess friends. We all talked about this.
And I'd really just say thank you one more time to Randy Weeks. Randy and Diane, as you saw in the video, were there with us. They purchased at the same time we did, and they were picking up at the same time we did.
I'll pop their card up here, but it's North Star Mobile RV Technicians. But they were so helpful when we took ownership of this rig. They helped us do the walkthrough inspection.
Helped me do a look over, walkthrough inspection and everything, and just great folks in general. But obviously, if you need a tech, you can't go wrong with hiring Randy to do whatever you need done. So
yeah, absolutely. Hey, you guys, if you haven't had a chance to yet, please consider subscribing to our channel and supporting us on this journey. Thanks again for tuning in. If you like this video, click that like button, and if you want to see future videos and know when they come out, click the little bell.
Yeah.
To be notified of new videos. We try to put out new videos every Friday.
Yep.
Thanks for tuning in, you guys, and once again, safe travels.
Safe travels till next time.
Okay, take care. Bye.